Uh, Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yohanes Abrian Galanderstu. I'm from Automotive Technology Vocational Education study program at uh, Yogyakarta Brigiri University. On this occasion, I will discuss one of the important component of a motorcycle, the rear shock breaker. The rear shock breaker is the main component motorcycle suspension system. This component function to dampen shock and vibration that occur when a motorcycle travels over on a flat road, pothole, bump, or speed bump. Without a shock absorber, all impact from the road would be directly transmitted to the fishing frame and red body, making a red convertible. In condition to proving comfort, a shock breaker absorber also function to maintain motorcycle stability. When a vehicle is travel at the speed or going around a corner, the rear wheel must remain in contact with the road surface. If the wheel lost contact with the road due to poor suspension, vehicle control will be impaired and the risk of an accident will increase. The one shock breaker not only relate to comfort but also directly relate to driving safety. Uh, in general, rear shock breaker absorber consistent several main parts: spring, the spring, cylinder in air, uh, piston in air, piston rod, and mounting bracket. This is mounting bracket. The spring function to support the vehicle with an absorbed impact energy. The cylinder to host the piston. The piston and rod regulated the oil flow with the shock absorber. The damping oil and well create resistance so that the spring movement can be controlled properly. The working principle of shock absorber is quite simple. When the rear wheel passes over a pothole of bump in the road, the spring is converted and absorbs the impact energy at the same time. The piston moves within the cylinder, forcing oil to flow through a small channel. The resistance of oil flow slow the spring movement, prevent it from bouncing excellent. This allow the motorcycle to return to its normal position slow and steadily. This is why the ride remain comfortable even on road. Currently, there are several tips shock absorber. used on motorcycle. And the first type is the conventional shock absorber. This type is most commonly used on everyday motorcycle due to its simple construction and relatively low maintenance cost. The second type is a gas shock absorber. This is type adds pressure gas to help uh, improve damping perform. A shock absorber they are generally more stable when used high speed or distance. The third tip is the adjustable circuit breaker. This type allow the user to adjust the spring string according the needs. Adjustable shock absorber are widely used on sport and motive motorcycle because they provide great flexibility. As deeper as is an advance and despite the course should be tailored to the use needs and the road condition. Family a counter rear shockbreaker absorber have many advantages. The first advantage is infrared reading comfort because when they can absorb vibration and impact from the road surface. The second advantage is maintaining fashion stable, making the motorcycle easier to control. The third advantage is increased safety because the tire maintenance good more than the road surface. The fourth advantage the is recorder is of damage to the component subframe, swing arm, and wheel because most the in absorbed by the suspension system. Our suspension a refundable shock absorber also save the shaft attack shock absorber requires regular introspect and maintenance to optimal perform. As the shock absorbing capacity will trace. Further, high quality shock absorber are relatively expensive compared to standard shock absorber. If an oil leak account shock absorber capacity I will because reduce and reducing driving comfort and safety. Thereof, shock absorber maintenance crucial introspect can be performed by checking for leak, checking oil the shock absorber tube, also check for cast the piston on rod of any growth unusually noise the driving. A simple way to check the condition of shock absorber press and roll motorcycle. If motorcycle bone reach a break before returning to stability, the shock absorber already like a weak and equally furniture inspection. Users are slow achievement to clean the shock absorber regularly to prevent for damaging the seal or other component. In condition maintenance, selecting the right shock absorber also crucial. The shock must be maintained to specification and usage need usually for daily use. Standard shock absorber are usually serving for comfort, often for use woefully travel long distance, carry a float, or there is better perform gas or adjustable shock absorber may be a more appropriate choice. By selecting the appropriate shock type,